For my video this week, I got oil spills. There's many different ways that oil spills can occur in the ocean. Drilling rigs, accidents, refineries, storage facilities, barges, tankers, pipelines, and more. There's many different ways that oil spills can affect our waters. It can disturb salinity. It can disturb the pH levels. It pollutes our air and our water. It does not blend with water, therefore it floats on top. It blocks sunlight. It spreads out in a very thin layer across the water, and it can spread hundreds of miles wide. Oil spills also affect animals that are in the ocean. It destroys the insulating ability for fur animals, making it hard for them to regulate heat, and most of the time they die from hypothermia. Sea turtles get stuck in it. Baby sea turtles can get stuck in it. Birds, once they're soaked in oil, they can't repel water. And whales and dolphins inhale it, affecting their lungs and their immune functions. It can also affect marine animals' lungs, liver, heart, their growth, as well as fin erosion. It takes a lot of effort and time to be able to clean up after an oil spill, and it also can be very expensive. This is just some pricing of what it cost per instrument used for oil spills. And you can see that if it's a huge oil spill, this can add up very quickly. Ways that we can prevent oil spills in the ocean or any water is to regularly inspect all equipment, to only fill containers to 90% capacity, therefore eliminating the possibility of spills. Using oil absorbent pads in case there is, even if it's a small leak, to contain it. Fix any leaks that could potentially leak oil into the ocean. Be responsible and take extra caution to prevent oil leaks. Do not overfill gas tanks. Recycle oil in filters. Tightly secure oil barrels transported on ships to prevent them from falling off. Pay attention to your surroundings to prevent boating accidents. The end. Thank you guys for watching.